Most people get this wrong when they try to withdraw from Bitponix. They see profits on the screen, believe the money is real, and assume cashing out will be easy. Then suddenly they hit a withdrawal fee, a verification problem, or a message saying they need to deposit more money before withdrawing. Here's the truth no one tells you. A lot of platforms use fake balances and scam tricks to make users think they're earning, while making withdrawals difficult or impossible. And in this video, I'm exposing the most common Bitponix withdrawal scam tricks, how these schemes work, and how to protect yourself before losing money. So let's get straight into it. First, what is Bitponix? Bitponix may present itself as a crypto trading platform, investment website, AI trading app, or algorithm-based earning platform. You may see promises like automatic profits, AI trading income, passive earnings, fast withdrawals, or guaranteed returns. And that's what attracts people. But here's the problem. The dashboard can show fake profits. And this is where most people fail. They trust what they see on screen. For example, Alex deposits $100. A few days later, the app shows $250. He thinks the algorithm is working. Jake sees similar numbers. But instead of celebrating, he tests a withdrawal. That's the smart move. Because the real test is not the balance. It's the withdrawal. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many scam platforms allow small withdrawals first. This builds trust. For example, John deposits $50. He withdraws $10 successfully. Now he believes it's legit. Then he deposits $500. Suddenly, the problems begin. This is a common scam trick. It creates false confidence. Now let's expose the biggest withdrawal scam tricks. Scam trick number 130. Pay a withdrawal fee first. You request a withdrawal. Then they say, pay $20 to unlock it. Or pay blockchain fees. Or pay account release charges. Here's the truth. Legitimate platforms usually deduct fees from your balance. They don't ask for separate payments. This is where most people fail. They pay the fee. Then get asked for another fee. And another. For example, Alex pays $50. Then they ask for $100 more. Classic scam cycle. Scam trick number 2. Upgrade your account to withdrawal. The platform says your account is basic. You need VIP access, or premium verification, or a larger deposit. This is another trick. They keep asking for more money. Jake refuses and stops. Alex pays more and loses more. Now here's where it gets interesting. Scam trick number 3. Tax payment required before withdrawal. The platform claims you need to pay taxes up front. This sounds official, but it's often fake. Real tax handling usually doesn't work like that. Scammers use fear and urgency. They say, pay now or lose your funds. That pressure causes mistakes. Now in a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to test if a platform is fake, because this can save you money. Before that, scam trick number 4. Verification delay. They keep asking for documents. ID, address proof, selfies, then more documents, and more delays. Sometimes verification is real, but endless delays can be a stalling tactic. Scam trick number 5. System maintenance. You try withdrawing. The platform says maintenance. A few hours later, still maintenance. Days later, still maintenance. This can be a stalling excuse while they disappear. Now here's the biggest scam trick. Fake urgency. Withdraw now. Limited time release. Your account will be frozen. This pressure makes people act emotionally. This is where most people fail. Emotion over logic. Now let's talk about algo withdrawal scams. Many scam platforms use the word algorithm or I. They claim the system trades automatically and profits are guaranteed. Here is the truth. No real algorithm guarantees profits. Crypto and trading involve risk. So guaranteed daily returns are a major red flag. For example, Bitponix may claim 3% daily. That sounds exciting, but often unsustainable. Now, let's answer the big question. How do you know if Bitponix is a scam? Look for these red flags. Guaranteed profits. Withdrawal fees paid separately. Requests for more deposits. No clear company information. Fake support. Delayed withdrawals. Heavy focus on referrals. Pressure tactics. If multiple red flags appear, be careful. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some users don't realize they're in a scam until they try withdrawing. The app works perfectly until that moment. Deposits are easy. Withdrawals are hard. That's a warning sign. Now let's talk about the smartest test. If you're already using Bitponix, do this. Try a very small withdrawal. If it works consistently, that's a better sign. If they ask for extra fees or deposits, stop immediately. For example, Jake deposits $20. He tries withdrawing $10. If they block it or ask for more money, he leaves. Smart move. Now let's talk about support scams. Some fake platforms have fake customer support agents. They sound professional. They reassure you and ask for more money. For example, pay verification fee, pay gas fee, pay unlock fee. This is a trap. Real support should explain clearly, not pressure you. Now here's the easiest way to protect yourself. Never deposit more than you can afford to lose. Never pay separate withdrawal fees. Never trust guaranteed profits. Research reviews. Look for real withdrawal proof. Test small amounts. Withdraw early. Simple and smart. Now let's answer a common question. Can you recover money from a scam platform? Sometimes, but often difficult. If you paid by card or bank, contact your bank. If crypto was sent, recovery is harder. Report the scam to authorities or the payment provider. Act quickly. Timing matters. Now let's compare two users. Alex sees fake profits. Gets excited. Pays withdrawal fees. Pays upgrade fees. Loses more. No. Jake tests small. Sees red flags. Stops early. Saves money. Coin. Jake uses logic. Alex uses emotion. This is where most people fail. Now let's quickly recap. Bitponix or similar platforms may show fake profits. The real test is withdrawals. Watch for scam tricks like withdrawal fees, upgrade fees, tax fees, verification delays, maintenance excuses, pressure tactics, and requests for more money. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is sending more money to unlock your existing money. That's how many scams work. Now you know the warning signs. You know the scam tricks. And you know how to protect yourself. If this video helped expose Bitponix withdrawal scam tricks, hit the like button. Comment below with your experience or any scam tricks you've seen. And if you want more scam exposes, app reviews and withdrawal guides, subscribe now so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.